Today I want to show you how easy it is to propagate tomato plants. Through the course of a plant's growing life, it's constantly growing suckers, and those form between leaf branches and the main stem. So as the plant is growing, it's good to prune out the suckers. If you're looking to propagate, this is a great opportunity to allow a sucker to get at least 4 to 6 inches in length, where you can pluck that from the plant and then trim it with sharp scissors or shears to a 45-degree angle. After you've selected your suckers to propagate, all you need is a cup filled with about 2 inches high of water. You can see I've cut this sucker at 45 degrees so the stem has a clear opening to get water, and within the first few days you'll start noticing some bubbling where the roots are forming. Anywhere along this stem, roots can form. So when we go to plant this, when the roots are about 2 inches or 5 centimeters in length, we're going to want to plant this all the way up to the lowest branch, which will help give this plant the stability it needs. If your sucker did have any blooms on it, go ahead and pinch those off so it can concentrate on creating roots and not trying to fruit. If this video helped you out, please like the video and subscribe. Good luck with your garden!